Brad Hall here, and with me, right next to me, it's the perfect footwear for this time, the Adidas Yeezy Slide. Today I share with you the 5 things you need to know about this slide. This is the second release of the Yeezy Slide. It came out in 4 colorways, all of them pretty nice looking, and all of them very Yeezy palette-ish. I went with this Resin pair. This is the colorway that caught my eye. It's got a nice subtle greenish tint to it. Now when these released last December, I was not too interested in them. I'm not a big slide person, but this time around, things have obviously changed. I think we're all spending a lot more time indoors, and it's nice to have something comfortable that you can just slip on your foot. I figured I would get a lot of use out of them right now, and I am glad that I did pick them up. I've put them on, I've traipsed around the house in them, and I'm gonna share the 5 things that you need to know. I did some sizing research before making this purchase. A lot of people said they run small. I went with my 350 V2 size, and I have to say, I'm pretty happy with that sizing choice. Maybe a little bit snug around the midfoot, but I don't think I could size up anymore. So I'm happy with that decision. The Yeezy Slide is made out of a lightweight foam, but it does have a nice density too, so the cushioning, it does feel really soft underfoot without being too mushy. It's probably not something that I would want to take on a long walk outdoors, but inside, you want to just slip these on and strut around a bit. That is how comfortable they are. When I'm wearing an open-toed shoe, I prefer wearing some socks. I just don't like exposing those vulnerable bits up top. The problem is socks don't always go well with a sandal. Fortunately, they look really great with this one. Now maybe I'm alone on this next one, but something else that I don't like about slides, I always worry that they're gonna fall off my foot. This Yeezy Slide, it does stay on nicely. Like I said, it is pretty snug around that midfoot area, so you feel locked in. I know the slide is a staple with shorts, but I think it actually looks better with pants. This slide is fairly bulbous. It's got a lot of meat to it. I think the pants balance nicely with the slide. With shorts, the slide just has too much presence. It's almost like you've got clown shoes on. So I'd recommend pants with this slide. If you're looking for something stylish to wear around the house, I think this is your answer. So that was the show for today. Thanks for watching.